All right, so I've been missing in action for a few weeks. Well, actually, it's been like 2 months or so, but that's because I have moved. So I've moved to a new place, which obviously, you know, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. So filming videos during that was kind of hard. So hopefully I'll be back to making my normal content again. But I kind of wanted to, I actually don't know what I want to do. I kind of want to like show you what I have here. And for some things, I do want to make my apartment like at least a little smart. Not in a way of like that I have to come into my apartment and be like, Jarvis, turn on the dishwasher, preheat the oven and tuck me into bed. Like, not like that, but just like, you know, with the lights, for example. That's actually kind of it. But also like a TV that can connect to a VPN so I can watch shows that I want just straight on my TV, not with an HDMI cable anymore, all that good stuff. And I kind of want to make it my own, you know? For example, with Vegeta over here. So yeah, so far, you know, it is coming together a little bit. Look at my Crocs. Anyway, we got the PS5, we got the Switch, we got PS2, PS1 Classic, Wii, all that good stuff. So I got the recipe for some good home gaming. And then basically with the PS5, because I do have a bunch of DVDs and all of that, like it can still play it, which is pretty nice. And then we got a 55-inch like QLED 144 hertz refresh rate, which is nice. So yeah, this is kind of my console setup, obviously. And then here we have my already extremely messy gaming slash like workstation. So yeah, I kind of made this my office so I can hopefully finally start streaming again soon. So I do want to get something here on the wall, you know, really nicely, you know, make a nice backdrop, you know, for the streaming and recording that I'm gonna be doing in here. Then I put like these around the house, which is like a remote that you can basically program anything to. So all the Hue, like Philips Hue lights that you have, you can program to this. So you can turn them on, like higher brightness, lower brightness, and then change color. This is just like a sticky thing, so it's super easy to install, and you just like magnetically click it in. So if I come home, or like in the bedroom, I have another one, I can just click this, and then the lights that I want to go on with this, which is very nice. And then of course the most important stuff, which is Dragon Ball and Demon Slayer. Well, that's how far my my manga collection goes so far. We got some movies, we got some books, and then we have like lights like this around. The only thing that I hate, like it's fun to have like to make it look nice and all of that, but charging everything is such a chore, goddamn. Like I don't mind cleaning, I don't mind cooking, all of that, but charging these things, it is just like, why? Yeah, and then obviously we got my choice weapon of self-defense. It is it's a Demon Slayer sword. Don't worry, it's now real, YouTube, okay? Don't demonetize me. I've also, from the past, had like a couple of these like displayed posters. Like this is from The Witcher 3. They look super nice. I do have one from Dead Cells as well, which is this one. And then I have one from Doom Eternal. That's like a bigger one. I kind of want to hang them around the place too. Obviously I want to make this place look nice and cozy, but I also want to film my videos in here. So especially if I'm doing like the tech review stuff, like I have my table here where I can film, but I also want a pretty background, you know? And you know, showing stuff like this that I really like, it's fun to have. Obviously most people don't really care about it, but you know, when I'm editing this or when I'm making a video and I see my stuff in the background, it's just nice, it just fits. And yeah, with stuff like this, I'm gonna try and make it look at least a little nice. So yeah, like I said, I don't want to make this like a tech store, so I want to keep it down with all the smart stuff. So yeah, if you have any ideas or things that you want me to check out for the apartment, like smart things or things that would make life easier or something like that, I can try it, make a review on it, stuff like that. So I'm very excited for that. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update and kind of show where I ended up. So yeah, stay tuned for more and good videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.